Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video we will complete analysis of today's slot because guys a lot of students are asking me on WhatsApp that ki sir pseudocode is there or not. So we will discuss each and everything. Okay. So let's start guys without wasting time. And guys, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, guys, go and join because guys I will share this same PDF on our Telegram channel, guys. Okay. So let's discuss guys. So before discussing all pseudocodes, guys, I am just giving you one bonus tip, or you can say a paid material in free of cost. That is guys, if you really want to crack Capgemini, then guys you can go and check out this whole playlist because guys 60 plus videos are there, guys. 60 plus, okay, 60 plus lectures are there. That is free of cost, guys, so you can go and check out this all videos. These all videos are very helpful for you guys. So let's discuss guys what types of pseudocode are there in today's slot. But first of all guys, we will discuss what are the sections. Okay, then we will discuss pseudocode and all. Okay, so let's see guys, let me discuss first, then we will move to pseudocode. So guys, in today's slot guys, pseudocodes are there means guys जैसा पहले था सेम टू सेम अभी भी है गाइस. सेम पैटर्न है ना, पैटर्न इज नॉट चेंज गाइस, पैटर्न इज नॉट चेंज. ओके गाइस, पैटर्न चेंज नहीं हुआ है, सेम पैटर्न है ना एज प्रीवियसली गाइस. सेम टू सेम पैटर्न in this slot as well guys, in March slot as well guys, same to same pattern guys, right? Pseudocode, verbal, pseudocode are there guys, then verbal, then game based, then guys sorry, behavior round, right? Behavior. So guys, these four sections are there in मार्च 2022 एज वेल, मीन्स अभी. ठीक है, अभी ये सारे स्लोट्स है, तो गाइस पैटर्न इज नॉट चेंज. ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस गाइस टुडे सूडो कोड, टुडे स्लोट सूडो कोड. एंड गाइस बिलीव मी, इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच अवर प्लेलिस्ट है ना, कैपजेमिनी कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट गाइस, if you really want to crack Capgemini guys, go and check out because guys a lot of students are placed by this playlist only guys. Okay, so let's discuss guys this pseudocode first. So we have a ABC, and let's see, ABC is there guys, and we have a value of ABC is 9 8 10. Clear? Next, if C minus A, so guys C minus A is nothing but a 1 is less than B plus C, or obviously our condition is true. So A equal to 5 plus A means 14. Then C equal to 12 plus 11, 12 plus 11 plus B. B is nothing but a guys 8. Clear? So 1 and 3. So 31 we will put in C variable. So C value is now 31. And finally guys, we just print A plus B plus C, that is 14 plus 8 plus 31 guys. Clear? So this one is our answer guys. So let me add some. So 4, 8, 12 and 13, or 1 and 53. Clear? So 53 is your correct answer guys. Okay. So let's move to next question guys. I hope this question is clear. So for this question, guys, see, pseudocode are very easy in Capgemini. Okay, that's why I am saying just go and check out some few videos of our playlist, guys. Okay, so for this question, guys, we have a PQR. PQR is given, and we have a, just pause the video and try by yourself, है ना, इससे आपकी ज़्यादा अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस होगी. So 12 is there. 12 is less than 6 plus P. 6 plus P means guys 7. So condition is false, guys. 9 is greater than P. Condition true. So here is OR operator, that's why guys this whole condition is true. Okay, so R equal to 4 plus 1 means 5 plus R is nothing but a 17. Okay, P plus Q plus R, it means 21 is your correct answer guys. Okay, फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, देखो ऐसी ऐसी क्वेश्चन आए थे आज, केवल 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन फोर लूप के थे, बाकी सब यही फिल्स वाले थे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी फॉर दिस वन गाइस. 3 end with q is nothing but a 6 guys, end with 6, right? So 3 we are written as like this, and 6 is written as 1 0 1. We need to perform guys what end operation, right? So 0, sorry, 1 1 1 0 0, it means 1 is there, right? So 1 is less than p plus 3. P plus 3 means guys 5. Condition is true guys, it will move to this f part. And as you can see guys, this condition is totally false. Why? Because here p plus q, but here is p plus q plus r guys. Okay, so condition is false, and it will directly print what 2 plus 6 plus 6, that is 14. Okay, let's move to next question guys. So for next question guys, we have also PQR is there, and 3 8 4. And guys, and everyone have a different question. Okay guys, everyone have a different question. There is no any same questions are there in Capgemini. Okay, everyone have different question in same slot. एक slot में guys अलग अलग question होते हैं, इस बात का आप ध्यान रखिएगा. ठीक है, तो ये मत बोलना कि यार ये क्वेश्चन मेरे पास नहीं आया. तो गाइस मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ, सारे के पास अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस आते होंगे. Okay, so let's see guys, 3 8 4. So we have a q equal to guys r plus p. R plus p means guys 7 plus 10 17. 17 is there. Then we have a p equal to 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus q is nothing but a 27. Okay, so 8 plus q is nothing but a guys 17. How to write 17? I have already discussed in my previous videos. 1 2 4 8 16. You can add 16 or 1 17. So 1 0 0 0 1. This one is 17 guys. Okay, and basically q is nothing but a sorry, 17 is q and 8 is, this one is q, it means 17. Okay, then we have a 8, so 1 0 0 0 is 8. Okay, 1 0 0 0 8. So we need to perform guys end operation, so 0 0 0 0 0. So this one is 0 guys, and obviously no need to solve p XOR with 8. It is also a condition true. Why? Because आप जब 27 को XOR करोगे 8 से, so 1 से तो बड़ी वैल्यू आने वाली, इतना मैं 100% कह सकता हूँ. तो नो नीड टू डू दिस ऑपरेशन गाइस. ओके, सो p इक्वल टू p XOR with 1. So we have a p value is guys 27. Okay, we have a p value is 27. Okay, so 27, how to write 27? Let me write. So 27 means 16, right? 16 17 18 19 19 और 8, इसको 4 को हटा देते तो हमारे पास आएगा गाइस 1 1 24 25 26 27. So this one is a binary of 27 1 1 0 1 1, and we need to perform XOR 1 0 0 0 0 1. So we got 1 1 0 1 0 means 1 2 4 8 16 16 or 8 24 or 2 26. So finally 26 is this one, 26 plus r is nothing but a 4, it means 30 is there guys. P value is finally guys 30. Okay, and we just directly add 30 plus q is nothing but a 17 plus 4. Okay, this one is your correct answer. Now guys, है ना, remaining pseudocode we will discuss, है ना, don't worry, we have more pseudocode in this video, don't worry. So before moving next guys, है ना, if you have Wipro guys, we have started a mock interview, है ना, mock interview for especially Wipro campus guys. If you really want to interested, if you want to give your mock interview, okay, mock interview like a Wipro, you just message me on this number, you can contact us on this number guys. Okay, सो ओके गाइज, सो आप मैसेज कर देना मेरे को, है ना. आई विल टेक यूर मॉक, एंड गाइज मॉक ड्यूरेशन इज 30 minutes to 60 minutes गाइज. ओके, एंड आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू what mistake in yours. I will figure out your resume mistakes, and many more things are there in this mock interview guys. Okay, I am unable to discussing all the things in here. Okay, अभी मैं यहाँ सब कुछ नहीं बता सकता आपको. ठीक है, you just take a mock, है ना. अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है इसके, so you can message me on this number, है ना. I will try to give you a reply as soon as possible, but guys you need to message me on this number only or WhatsApp only. Okay guys, WhatsApp only. How to message guys? You just write your name and just write, are you interested to give mock or not? Just write yes, I am interested to give mock. Okay, so let's discuss the next question guys and change the color for that question. So we have a PQR, and guys this question is very easy, believe me. दिखने में बड़ा लग रहा है बट गाइस क्वेश्चन इजी है. ठीक है, आर की वैल्यू नहीं लिख रहे. व्हाई? बिकॉज आर हमारा लूप के थ्रू चल रहा है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइस, फॉर ईच आर फ्रॉम 5 to 9, so 5 6 7 8 9, it means this loop executed guys 5 times. Okay, then p equal to 2 plus p, so whatever the value of p, है ना, it will add again and again 2. Means guys, first of all we have a p value is 8 first. So in the first iteration p value is guys 10, then second, third, fourth and fifth. So in the fifth iteration guys we got 18, the value of p, finally we got 18. Next we have a guys for each, sorry, before that we have a this statement. So p plus p plus p plus q is nothing but a guys 5. Okay, so 8 or 8 16 or 5 21, and this one is 41. Clear? Then guys let's move to next. We have a plus q as well now. Okay, we have done all. Okay, so p value is guys 41. Let me change the color for next full loop. So p value is guys, finally we got 41. Next we have a guys for r 4 to 7 4 5 6 7, it means this loop is executed 4 times, right? And we have a q equal to 8 plus r, 8 plus r. So finally I just got there 7, and 8 plus 7, है ना, 8 plus 7 is nothing but a 15 guys. So finally q value is guys 15 only. Clear? P plus Q is nothing but a 41 plus 15, we got 56. So our answer, guys. Clear? So that question is very easy, but maybe you take a time, but don't execute whole loop. Okay, don't waste the time to execute whole for loop actually. So yes guys, so for this question, before discussing this question guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, क्लियर गाइज, है ना? और टेलीग्राम पे ज्वाइन कर लेना, आई विल शेयर दिस पीडीएफ सॉल्यूशन, है ना, होल पीडीएफ इन हियर ओनली. ओके, so let's see guys this question. So yeah, so we have a 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. This question I am called, this question is m based question, m based question. Okay, so let's see. So a of 1 is nothing but guys 3 plus 1 means 4. Okay, 4 is greater than a of 2, a of 2 is nothing but a 1. Condition true guys, m equal to a of 2 means 1, right? So m equal to 1, and finally we just print m equal to 1 guys, means answer is 1. Clear? So it's all about today's slots pseudocodes guys. I hope every pseudocode is clear to you, and guys if you have a doubt or you are just thinking what about remaining section like ds game base, so guys I have already made the videos on this that topic as also. Okay, already make a video, so you can go and check out guys, once. And if you have not joined our telegram channel guys, please go and join our telegram channel as well. Okay guys, so it's all about today's video guys. Let's meet on next video. और ये सारा playlist को एक बार आप check कर लेना. If you have any doubt, you just message me, है ना? And guys, if you really want to practice, okay guys, if you really want to practice for mock of Wipro guys, believe me, you just take this mock interview. This mock interview is very useful for your main Wipro interview guys, believe me. Okay, I will just take this interview as a like विप्रो टीआर टेकिंग. ओके, जैसा विप्रो लेता है ना, वैसा की वैसी मैं आपको मॉक लेने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, सो इस वीडियो के लिए इतने फ्रेंड्स. लेट्स मीट ऑन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट जस्ट मैसेज मी, कमेंट मी. Okay, I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. So thank you friends for watching this video friends. Let's meet on the next video. Okay, bye bye.